Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the current keyboard layout so you know which physical key produces that symbol. Open System Settings and look under Keyboard, right arrow Input Sources. Once done, glance at the on-screen keyboard viewer to test keys. This shows Shift, Option, and other modifiers. If your Mac is set to U.S. At is Shift+2, other layouts use option combinations. Make sure to test in a text field so you can see the actual character appear as you press keys. Now change or add the correct input source to match what you need. In Keyboard, right arrow Input Sources, click the plus button, pick the language and layout, then add it. Once added, select it from the menu bar. You can also open the character viewer, Control plus Command plus space, and type at to insert it if keys behave oddly. If you switch frequently, use the input menu to toggle layouts quickly. This ensures consistent typing across apps and avoids relying on memory for different keys. Finish by typing the @ in your destination app using the verified combination. If you still get a different symbol, open Keyboard Viewer to watch what the key press produces in real time, then adjust to the correct modifier. If problems persist, remove and re-add the input source, or restart the Macbook to clear temporary state. Keyboards can misbehave when language packs conflict, so if nothing works, reset input settings and test again. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves lingering mapping issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.